Ho, ho, ho!
Santa Workshop friends, I am so glad you are here. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, boys and girls. It's me, Santa Claus, checking in from the North Pole. I hear you've been wondering, how can we track Santa on Christmas Eve? Well, I've got the answer. There are some wonderful Santa trackers out there. The Google Santa Tracker lets you see where I am with fun games and activities while you wait. It's a great way to pass the time as I load up my sleigh and get ready for takeoff. And then there's the NORAD Santa Tracker, one of my very favorites. NORAD has been tracking my flight for over 60 years, all the way back to 1955. You can follow me on their website, or even call them on Christmas Eve at 1-877-HINORAD, that's 1-877-446-6723. Friendly volunteers at the North American Aerospace Defense Command will answer the phone and tell you where I am in the world. Isn't that magical? You can keep track of me and my reindeer, Track the Santa, on Google's and NORAD's Track Santa map. It shows where I am all around the world on Christmas Eve. But here's a secret from the workshop: you don't need fancy gadgets to track me. You can listen closely for the sound of sleigh bells, peek out the window for a red glowing nose in the sky, or even make your very own Santa map at home. And remember, the best way to track Santa is with your heart. When you're full of Christmas cheer, that's how you'll know I'm near. But the most important tip of all, make sure you're tucked in bed fast asleep. Because if you're awake, I can't deliver your presents. So, have fun, track Santa your way, and keep the Christmas magic alive. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for joining me today. Remember, the magic of Christmas lives in kindness, sharing, and believing in yourself. Until we meet again, stay jolly, be good, and keep the spirit alive all year long. Merry Christmas!